I ate the whole thing.
So I wanted to make my sugar-free Reese cups. But I got this dark chocolate bar, and I thought, you know, I read the back of it, and it's chocolate, cocoa powder, cocoa butter, a Demerara sugar. Got a little bit of sugar in it. 4 grams of fiber, 4 grams of carbs, and from my diabetic classes that what I remember, that's supposed to cancel each other out. That's what I'm telling myself. Anyway, I decided, because there's not a lot in here, I'm making Reese cups, you know, so there's a bottom and a top. And so I'm going to mix a little bit of the coconut oil in it to kind of stretch the chocolate a little bit, thin it out a little bit, and yeah, my top and my bottom. And then I'm using the PBfit here for the middle, and I read the ingredients on it. My little blind eyes went straight to peanuts. I just thought it was peanuts. But you go up a little bit to ingredients, and it's roasted peanuts, coconut sugar, and salt. So I looked up coconut sugar to find out, oh, that's got to be healthier. No, it's not. No. Sugar. See? Hidden sugars, but they're not really hidden. You just got to read the labels. And yeah, so anyway, it's going to be, I think it's going to be really yummy. It's going to be a lot less than the others, and more quality, a lot better tasting. So 2 or 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients, but 4, because you got to mix this with water. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to go out to the kitchen and I'll show you the rest. Okay, I've melted my chocolate and my coconut oil, and now I'm spooning them into the paper waxed cups. It smells heavenly. It smells like a Mounds bar. Dark chocolate is very healthy for us. They say if you buy dark chocolate, buy at least 80%, and this chocolate bar was 85%. A very rich dark chocolate, delicious. Now into the freezer those went. Now they're all frozen. I'm getting ready to melt my second batch. That was just popped into the microwave for about 40 seconds is all it took. Of course, I'm getting ready to put my peanut butter in the middle. Or I should say my PBfit for my dark chocolate peanut butter cups. I was putting like 1 tablespoon in each one, which is 30 calories per tablespoon of the PBfit. This was a little sticky, but they pressed down nicely. It was fine. Okay, my chocolate is ready. It smells heavenly, just like Mounds bars. That coconut oil and that dark chocolate. Mounds bars one is my favorites. And just spoon it over the peanut butter mixture. Really easy. These would be fun to make with the kids. I finished my almost sugar-free Reese cups. Well, maybe I can't call them that. Well, they're like similar to Reese cups. Anyway, look how big that turned out. Yeah, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So I definitely could have got 6 instead of 4. So, but, and I tell you, I tried the chocolate with the coconut oil in it by itself because it smelled so good. It smelled like a Mounds bar. And it was delicious just by itself. So you could make like those keto bombs. I guess these are kind of like keto bombs. You know, but yeah, keto bombs just out of that I could have made. But anyway. Still frozen. Crunchy. Oh yeah. Because the peanut butter's richer and the chocolate's dark. Oh yeah. I'd probably eat half of this and be plenty satisfied. Yeah, really easy to make. A lot healthier. Yeah, I could have definitely got 6 out there. I'm sorry. All that chocolate. Anyway, oh my God, it's so good. Oh yeah.